In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Google Slides presentations more engaging and interactive. If this is your first time here, consider hitting the subscribe button so you never miss an update when we release new videos. We're exploring a powerful tool that can truly elevate your presentations: live audience comments. This feature allows people who don't have direct access to your slide deck to submit feedback, questions, or comments using a special link. I'm going to show you exactly how it works. To get started, open your Google Slides presentation in Chrome. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll notice the slideshow button, and right next to it is a small downward arrow. Click on that arrow and you'll see that a drop-down menu appears with options like Presenter View, Start from Beginning, and other presentation display options. What you want to do is select Presenter View. Once you've entered Presenter View, look at the upper navigation menu where you'll find a tab labeled Audience Tools. Click on it to launch the Audience Q&A panel. Now, to begin accepting questions, you need to click the Start New button at the bottom of the panel. A blue bar will then appear with a message indicating that your presentation is now open to questions. This bar will also display a unique code or link. This is the link your audience will use to submit their questions or comments. You can switch this Q&A feature on or off as needed using the toggle switch beside it. So, how can people participate? Simply point them to the link that appears in the banner. It could be displayed directly on your screen during the presentation, sent out via email, or even embedded right into a slide. Once someone visits the provided link, they will land on a page where they can enter their question or comment. It's worth noting that users have the option to post their questions either under their name or anonymously, depending on their preference. After they've typed in their input, all they need to do is hit the blue Submit button. Instantly, their question or feedback will appear in the feed below. What's really cool is that other viewers can also interact with these submissions. They can upvote or downvote them based on what they find most useful or relevant. Think of it like a modern discussion forum integrated right into your presentation. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more practical Google Tools tips like this one.